Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I've got the Gelbox UK subscription box for, what month is it? July. It's a little bit delayed. Where are my scissors to open it? But finally I've got my hands on it and getting this video filmed. So let's have a look what's inside it. I'm super excited to see what's inside because the group chat of all the Gelbox UK BAs was so like what's the word? I don't know. Everyone in the group chat basically was saying how amazing the box is and how good the contents of it are this month. And obviously I didn't want to see what was in it, so I didn't really look at the group chat. I just kept seeing the messages pop up saying it's really good and stuff, so I didn't click on it. I just looked at the notifications. So let's have a look what's inside and you can see it with me. So we've got a lemon theme by the looks of it, as you can see from the inside of the box, and the outside's got some lemons on as well. So I've got my swatch sticks next to me, so we can do some swatches as usual to get my lamp ready. So let's have a look what we've got. This is the information card that comes with every box. I'll just leave that on the screen so you can see. It tells you how much everything would be individually. So you get really, really good value, and you can use my 15% off discount code, which I will hopefully remember to put up here for the duration of the video. If I don't, please look in my description box because that's where it is. You get 15% off as well. So you get all of this. If you add all that up, like that's a lot of money. So you're already saving a lot by buying it anyway, but getting the discount is obviously going to give you a bit of extra. And who doesn't want some extra money off? So I'm just going to get rid of this. There we go. I hate ripping that every time. It makes me cry a little bit inside, but I'm just too messy to not. Oh, how cute. They made like a little pouch in this bit. I love that. Very clever. Right, so in that little pouch we've got this picture which gives us a clue of what products are going to be in the box, because you can create this with the products that are inside. So that's always like a bit of a hint of what you're going to get. I've got a cute little ring here, nice little yellow one on the lemon theme. And then we've also got these stickers, very pretty gold. And then I've got some more stickers, obviously not nail stickers, but stickers. Don't know how else to explain it. Oh, we've got some chrome as well in this one. So we've got a beautiful mermaid tail brush. I'm really sorry, I can't get my words out today. I don't know what is wrong with me. Definitely baby brain is absolutely kicking in. Well, has been for the past 8 months, but never mind. These files are absolutely brilliant. I keep these for my own nails because they're just so good, and obviously I don't do my nails that often, so they last me forever. But they are amazing. We've got a cuticle oil which smells, wow, amazing. I wish there was smell-o-vision, that would be great. I can't even tell you what it smells like because although my scent is obviously really strong at the moment, I can't differentiate between smells. Like, I can't ever put my finger on what something is. And we've got some chrome in here with a little applicator as well. So it's a gold chrome, like a nice deep champagne gold. Would it be champagne? Probably not. Never mind. And then we've got 4 gels. I'm going to take them out so we can swatch them. Just get the box out of the way. Okay, so 4 gels. We've got a beautiful, beautiful blue. I can't wait to see what this looks like. So this blue is called Adonis. I'm going to zoom in now for the painting part. I was going to say process and part, and both of them came out. Look at this blue, and you can already tell in the consistency of it that it's like a really nice creamy blue. So should, fingers crossed, be amazing coverage. Let's have a look. Yeah, I knew it. It's a really beautiful creamy colour instead of like the neon style lighter coverage ones where you need to build them up a bit more, which is good. Got way too much on my brush there. You never really get the complete like colour payoff on these tips, but when you put your finger behind them, which is realistically what it would look like, what a nail would look like on a finger, it's much better. But the clear tips are not really that great, and the shape of them as well, like the apex is far too high, so it is difficult to get the true look of them, but never mind. We've got this one next, which is the yellow. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, this actually looks quite good coverage for a yellow. I've always found, like, in my like experience and time of being a nail tech, the main colours that I struggle with personally, colour wise, are white and yellow. Like, they are the troublesome colours that can be really terrible to apply. There's a hair on this somewhere, that's why I'm messing about with it so much. I actually don't think there was. I think I'm just going insane. Never mind. Yeah, so yellow is always a bit difficult. So I do find that it is hard to find a really good coverage yellow, but that's like brand wide. Like, that is all brands I've found, not just specific ones. Yellow is generally just a difficult colour. And I did speak to a brand owner at one point about this actually. And she said that it is a thing. Yellow pigment is a problem colour. So we've got a white, which I'm really glad about, because you can never have too much white in your collection. I use it all the time. Is it? It is white, I think. Or is it a really, really pale blue? I'm not going to lie, I actually don't know. I think it's white. Now I'm looking at it, I'm not sure. I might have to put it next to a white and see if it really is, or whether it's just my eyes playing up. And then last but not least, this looks like a builder gel. It's called this. That is this colour. It's cleaning off a display tip. Oh! Very different. This is great. I haven't got any builder gels this colour from this brand. I think it's a builder gel. Let's build it up. Let's see how it cures. I think it is. I'm just going to keep piling it on because I'm not on a person, so they're not going to get a heat spike. It's all good. I'll just see how it cures when it's really, really thick, because obviously if it isn't a builder gel and it is a normal colour, if I did it really, really thick, it wouldn't cure. Well, it would semi-cure, but it would bubble and everything. We'll just see whether it does that or not. That is a beautiful colour. Very different to anything I've already got. So here is the 4 colours all painted. This is definitely a builder gel because it cured perfectly. I've done 2 coats of the colour on these 3, and they are perfect with the second coat. All of them, just beautiful. I do think this is a pale blue because I've put it next to white and it doesn't look white anymore. But then when I take the white away, it does look white, so it's very confusing. But that's my white, and that is the new one. So I do think it is a blue shade, but I'm not 100%. I suppose you could use it as a white because it's that close to white. It's hard to even tell. I'm just seeing if I've got, I don't think I've got any pale blues, even nearly that pale. No, my pale list is quite dark compared to that. So if it is a pale blue, that is fab, because obviously I don't have one like that. If it isn't and it's white, also fab, because like I said, you can never have enough. So it's worked out well either way. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with another one. Bye!